Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the biggest names in the world of investing, Charles Schwab. In this video, I'll take you through a detailed overview of what the Charles Schwab account is all about, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and I'll wrap up with a balanced conclusion on why I believe Schwab continues to stand out as one of the best brokerage platforms in 2025. Let's get started. Charles Schwab is one of the largest and most established brokerage firms in the United States. It's been around for decades and has built an incredible reputation as a trusted all-in-one financial services company. When you open a Schwab account, you're not just getting a place to buy and sell stocks. You're getting access to a full ecosystem, from investing and trading tools to retirement accounts, research, financial planning, and even banking services like checking accounts and debit cards. As of 2025, Schwab manages nearly $10 trillion in client assets. That's a massive sign of trust and stability. It serves everyone from complete beginners to professional traders and high net worth investors, and they do it at scale. But what really defines Schwab in 2025 is its balance between affordability, reliability, and range. You can open an account with no minimum, trade US stocks and ETFs with zero commissions. You can access world-class research and get a full suite of financial tools all under one roof. So whether you're saving for retirement, building a portfolio of ETFs, or actively trading options, Schwab provides a structure that can grow with you. And that's what makes it such a strong player in the brokerage industry. Now let us talk about the main features of the Charles Schwab account. $0 commission on US stocks and ETFs. This is one of Schwab's biggest selling points. You can trade US listed stocks and exchange traded funds without paying any commission fees. That means more of your money stays invested instead of going towards trading costs. No account minimum. For most Schwab brokerage accounts, you don't need a minimum deposit to get started. It's one of the most beginner-friendly entry points in the investing world. Wide range of investment options. Schwab gives you access to almost everything: stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, fixed income securities, and even futures. And with the Think or Swim platform, you get advanced charting and strategy tools for more complex trades. Robust research and educational resources. They provide detailed markets research, stock reports, screeners, and educational content to help you learn about investing. Powerful trading platforms. Schwab offers multiple platforms to suit every type of investor. The web platform for everyday users, mobile apps for on-the-go access, and Think or Swim for serious traders who want to advance the features and data visualization. Also about safety and regulation. Schwab is a member of SIPC and FDIC, meaning your investments and cash are protected up to certain limits. That's an important level of peace of mind, especially for new investors. Now let us talk about the pricing. There are no commissions for US stock and ETF trades. You can see that's $0. It's a really big win for most investors. There are also no minimums for accounts, and there are no annual or inactivity fees for standard brokerage accounts. Also, option trades come with a standard $0.65 per contract fee, which is pretty normal across the industry. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Charles Schwab account? Let's start with the pros. Zero commissions on US stock and ETF trades. A massive selection of investment products. Strong security and insurance protections. And no account minimums for most accounts. How about the cons? Well, for international users, Schwab might be limited. Deposits are typically in US dollars only, and trading on non-US exchanges can be costly or maybe restricted. And when we talk about the platform, it might not be as sleek as some new fintech brokers. So having considered all this, what's the final verdict? Well, in 2025, Charles Schwab accounts continues to stand out as one of the most complete and reliable brokerage solutions available. It's ideal for anyone who wants long-term stability, low fees, and access to a massive range of investment options. Charles Schwab has successfully managed to bring together affordability, advanced technology, education, and financial services in one ecosystem, and that's not easy to do. Well, it may not be perfect, especially if you're based outside the US or you prefer a super simplified mobile experience. But still, it combines safety, cost effectiveness, and flexibility, and that makes it hard to beat. That's it on the review of Charles Schwab account. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Fidelity Investments, Interactive Brokers, and E-Trade. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.